reminds me of Cinderella's stepmom with her hair.
1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's good to see you all here. So today I'm going to be doing a DIY mask, and if you can tell, this is my freshly washed hair. It's a little bit damp, and yeah. So but before we get into the video, please click on the red subscribe button right down below this video, and yeah, and also give this video a thumbs up now or after this video, and also comment during this video, after this video, right now as in speaking, and let's head into the video. So as I said, I am going to be using a DIY protein mask on my hair. I haven't tried this before, and I found like a thing on YouTube. It is with egg, mayo, and oil, and I also added a deep conditioner that I got from the store. So this is how it looked here. I'm gonna show you guys that how I made this.
Somewhere you're with me, let's take it. I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And then we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too.
So right now, I'm just gonna section my hair into sections, of course, and I'm just going to start putting in the mask and all of my hair. I don't even know if it will be enough. If it's not enough, I will just put conditioner on the rest of my hair. So let's start. Okay, so I'm going to be doing this section on camera, and I'll finish the rest and come back. Smells good actually.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
So I'm done with this section, and I'm just going to go finish up and come back. Okay guys, so I'm done right now. Oh, it looks so good actually, but it smells good also. Ooh, I just want to say that usually I don't put eggs on my hair, but because of the smell of the because of the other conditioner that I put, it made it like more bearable to put on my hair. So if you're kind of like me that don't like the smell of egg, like raw egg, then you should try my recipe. So yeah, I'm going to divide this and kind of like use my clip to tighten it a little, so that the bag that I'm going to use to tie it won't be so big. And you can also like allow my hair like seep in the moisture. So okay, this is good. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my It reminds me of Cinderella's stepmom with her hair. Let me know in the comments. Okay, so I'm going to leave this on. I just put a towel on it to like increase the heat on my hair, and so I'm gonna leave this on for about 30 minutes or more if I am doing other things. And I'm gonna come back and rinse it out, and then I'll show you guys the result. Okay guys, so I rinsed. So guys, at first I rinsed out the mask from my hair, but it was smelling of egg. So do not just rinse it out with water. Wash it again. If with a shampoo, but don't use a lot of shampoo so that it doesn't like remove all the protein you already put in your hair. But still, like, it smells like egg if you just wash it with water, if you just rinse it with water. Got my mask for my hair already, and I also blow dried. After I rinsed, I blow dried my hair, and after just a little bit, and after doing that, I put it in a high puff. So if you want to see most of the processes that I did while getting this style, you can go to my Instagram, follow me at Natural Figures C. The link will be in the description below, and I always mention in my description that if you want to do any collaborations with me, or you want to, like, you know, I don't know, if you feel like doing anything with me, you can email me at chidimaf28@gmail.com, or you can DM me at Natural Figures C on my IG page. I also have a Facebook, but you know, it's all in the description below. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I didn't really go in depth into everything because I just wanted to focus on the DIY mask today. If you have any suggestions on videos that I can make for you guys, drop it in the comments below, and I will make sure to look at that. Bye guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, like, comment, and also share with your friends. Bye!
I've been running from the pain, trying not to feel the same, but it's a shame that we